Chicken Karahi. Ingredients for chicken Karahi. Oil half a cup. Ginger plus garlic, chopped, 1/4 cup. Green chilies, chopped, 2 tablespoons. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Chicken, Karahi cut, 1 kilogram. Tomato, sliced, 2 cups. Red chili powder 1½ tablespoons. Salt 1 tablespoon to taste. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Coriander seeds plus cumin seeds, roasted plus crushed, 2 tablespoons. Black pepper, crushed, 1 teaspoon. Yogurt half a cup. Ingredients for garnishing. Green chilies as required. Ginger as required. Green coriander as required. Directions for chicken Karahi preparation. 1. In a pan, heat oil and add ginger and garlic and sauté for a minute. 2. Now add green chilies and cumin seeds and cook for a minute. 3. Now add chicken and cook until chicken changes its color. Now add green chilies and cumin seeds and cook for a minute. 3. Now add chicken and cook until chicken changes its color. 4. Now add red chili flakes, red chili powder, salt, black pepper, crushed coriander, and crushed cumin and mix it well. 5. Add tomatoes and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. 6. Cook chicken on high flame. Add yogurt and cook until chicken is fully done. 7. Garnish with green chilies, ginger, and coriander. 8. Your chicken Karahi, a beloved traditional Pakistani dish, is ready to serve. Prep time, 10 to 15 minutes. Cooking time, 40 to 45 minutes. Servings, 4 to 5.